Do you want to make money online? Google is more than just a search engine, it's a powerful tool that can help you earn money from home. We'll show you 5 ways to make money with Google in this video, from Google AdSense to Google Opinion Rewards. First way, create an AdSense account. Google AdSense is a program offered by Google that allows website owners and content creators to monetize their website traffic by displaying targeted ads on their website. AdSense provides a simple and easy-to-use platform to manage and track the ads displayed on your website, as well as the revenue generated from those ads. To get started with AdSense, you need to create an AdSense account, which is a straightforward process that involves providing your website URL, selecting ad formats and ad placement, and verifying your account. Once your account is approved, AdSense will start serving ads on your website based on your content, user demographics, and other factors. As users interact with these ads by clicking or viewing them, you earn a portion of the ad revenue generated. One of the advantages of AdSense is that it allows you to customize the ad formats, sizes, and placements on your website, which can help you maximize your ad revenue. Additionally, AdSense provides insights and analytics on your website traffic and ad performance, which can help you optimize your website and ad strategy to increase your earnings. Second way, become an affiliate marketer. Google's affiliate program, also known as Google Affiliate Network, is another popular way to make money on Google. As an affiliate marketer, you promote products or services related to your niche or area of expertise, and earn a commission when someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase. To get started with Google's affiliate program, you need to sign up on an affiliate network, such as ShareASale, Rakuten Marketing, or CJ Affiliate, and select the products or services you want to promote. Once you join a network, you will have access to various tools and resources to help you promote the products effectively, including banners, text links, and product data feeds. One of the advantages of affiliate marketing is that you don't need to create or manage the products yourself, which can save you time and effort. Third way, write and sell ebooks. Writing and selling ebooks is a popular way to make money on Google, as it allows you to leverage the power of Google's platform to reach a wide audience. You can create ebooks on various topics, such as self-help, cooking, business, or fiction, and sell them on Google Play Books, Amazon Kindle Store, or other ebook marketplaces. To create and sell ebooks on Google, you need to have a Google account and a publishing account on Google Play Books. You can then upload your ebook file, set the price and distribution options, and promote your ebook through various channels, such as social media, email marketing, or book review websites. One of the advantages of selling ebooks is that it allows you to showcase your expertise and creativity in a specific area. Additionally, ebooks can be a scalable and passive income source, as you can sell them indefinitely and earn royalties from each sale. Fourth way, create and sell apps. If you have programming skills, you can create mobile apps and sell them on Google Play Store, which is one of the largest app marketplaces in the world. Creating and selling apps requires a combination of technical, design, and marketing skills, as you need to develop a high-quality app, optimize its visibility on the App Store, and attract users to download and use it. To get started with creating and selling apps on Google Play Store, you need to register as a developer, create a Google Play Console account, and upload your app package, which includes the app binary, graphics, and description. You can then set the price, target audience, and distribution options, and promote your app through various channels, such as social media, app review websites. One of the advantages of creating and selling apps is that it allows you to tap into the growing mobile market, which is expected to reach $935 billion by 2023. Additionally, apps can provide various monetization opportunities, such as in-app purchases, subscriptions, and advertising, which can generate a significant revenue stream over time. Fifth way, become a YouTube content creator. YouTube is a popular video sharing platform that allows content creators to monetize their videos through various methods. As a YouTube content creator, you can create videos on any topic, such as beauty, gaming, education, or entertainment, and earn money from ads, sponsorships, and product placements. To get started with YouTube monetization, you need to meet the eligibility criteria, such as having at least 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the past 12 months. You can then enable monetization on your videos, which allows YouTube to display ads before, during, or after your videos. As viewers interact with these ads by clicking or viewing them, you earn a portion of the ad revenue generated. So, what are you holding out for? Begin exploring these tips and tricks right away to begin earning money with Google.